Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Sound and Vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize this ringtone settings, and as you can see, those two options at the top are connected with the ringtone, and they differ between the SIM cards, which means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and completely different to another one. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first ringtone. It doesn't really matter. Just tap on it, and we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. So as you can see, you've got plenty of options to choose from. Here you've got also this option Add Ringtone, which means that after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here in some of those folders, and you will be able to set it as your ringtone. Or under it, we've got this option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So all you need to do is to listen, of course, how the particular ringtone sounds. You need to tap on it, and your device will simply play it. Kind of. Obviously, we've got the mute option turned on. Okay, so this is how it works. Now you can decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like to use maybe this desk phone, maybe not. Okay, for example, this one. As you can see, we need to make sure that the option we want to use is marked and go back. And it is immediately notified right here. So here we've got eagerly, and under it we've got elegant, that was set before, which means that we just successfully changed the ringtone for the first SIM card. And it means, of course, that from now on our device will simply use it to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.